In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF in WordPress without using a plugin. This can be a highly useful skill if you're looking to display documents, brochures, or any kind of PDF content directly on your website, allowing your visitors to view or download it conveniently. And best of all, we can do this without relying on any additional plugins, keeping things simple and lightweight. First, let's head over to WordPress.com. To do this, open your favorite web browser and type in the WordPress website address. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now, this dashboard is the heart of your WordPress site, where you manage your content, settings, and more. Next, you'll want to decide if you want to add your PDF to a post or a page. This decision depends largely on how you organize content on your site. If it's something like an update or announcement, a post might be ideal. For more static information, a page could be more suitable. Once you've made that decision, click on the Posts or Pages section in your dashboard. Once you're in the editing area for either your chosen post or page, look for the plus sign, known as the plus block button, in the editor. This button is your gateway to adding various types of content to your post or page. Thanks to WordPress's handy block system, click the plus block button, and a menu will appear with options for different types of content blocks you can insert. In this menu, scroll through until you find the file block. This block is specifically designed for adding files like our PDF. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to either upload a new file or select one from your media library if you've uploaded it previously. Choose the file you want to embed. After selecting your PDF file, WordPress will create a file block on your page or post, complete with a download button. This is what your visitors will see, giving them the option to download or view the PDF directly. You can preview how this looks on your site by clicking the Preview button available in the editing toolbar to ensure everything appears as you want. And there you have it. Your PDF is now beautifully embedded in your WordPress site, ready for your visitors to view or download without any extra plugins. This method is not only lightweight, but also straightforward, keeping your site running efficiently while delivering the content you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.